I am Ignacio and I love hiking very much. If you've seen my videos, you already know how much I do. And one of my favorite places to hike is where I can find volume of water, whether it's a creek, a river, or a lake, even the ocean. I love swimming in nature. It is so relaxing. And whenever I make a new video with images like the ones you're watching, the very first question I get asked is, what kind of camera do you use? Do you use expensive equipment? And things like that. And you'll be surprised, but I don't use any expensive camera or expensive equipment. I only use my iPhone, an iPhone waterproof case, a selfie stick, and also a phone protective pouch. That's all. I'll show you. This is it. This is all I use. A selfie stick, my iPhone covered with an iPhone waterproof case, and that's how I do my images underwater. It is actually very practical and simple to use. You get the case like this one, you put your phone, you cover it, you seal it perfectly, make sure you seal all the way, and then you're ready to go. Your phone will work just like it normally does, except now you can use it underwater. By the way, if you want to buy any of these products that I'm showing, I'm going to leave links on the description of the video to a place where you can get that and much more hiking and backpacking stuff. Thank you for your support. And then you get ready to record, set up your camera the way that you prefer, and you're ready to go. That's it. Start recording underwater. I use the selfie stick and this water case whenever I am recording in waters that are not so deep. I'll show you later how and why. This is the other device that I use for recording underwater. It is a Pelican Marin pouch. This one is a bit bigger. You can fit any phone of any size. And the difference between and the other one is that this one floats. Basically, just open it, set your phone inside, and pretty much do the same as the other one. The reason why I also use this one is because if you're recording where there's deep water and you lose your phone, then it's gonna sink all the way to the bottom. And this one floats. I'll show you. And then you do the same as the other one. You set your phone, set the camera, start recording, and go underwater. If you find any value on this video, please subscribe to the channel and watch my hiking videos. Thank you so much for your support. So I use them both. Whenever there's deep water, I use this one because it floats and I am not on the fear of dropping my phone and knowing that it's going to go to the bottom of the ocean or a lake. I'll show you. Now imagine that you are recording underwater videos on deep water and accidentally you drop this. That's the problem. If it's very deep, you're going to have a really hard time recording your phone. Alright, now you know the answer to the question. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you for your time. Click on the links that are going to appear on the screen to keep watching my videos. Until next time.